What's up, guys? This is the network back with another video, and today we're talking about how to set up a business LLC and build business credit from scratch. This is one of the easiest digital products to resell right now. It's simple, it's legal, and the demand is always high, especially when people realize they can get business funding without using their personal credit. This is the same play we help our mentees set up and resell inside their own Discord. So if you're planning to get into this business or join our mentorship, pay attention. Step 1, form your LLC using your Secretary of State website or a service like InkFile or Northwest Registered Agent. We always recommend setting it up in the state you actually live in unless you have a virtual office in another state. Step 2, get your EIN number from irs.gov. This is free. Do not pay a third party, just go to the site, click apply for EIN online, and follow the steps. Step 3, open a business bank account in the name of your LLC. Use a real address and phone number that matches what you use to register the LLC. You'll need your articles of organization, your EIN letter, and your ID. Step 4, set up your business phone number using Grasshopper or a VoIP system. Get a domain name and email that matches your business example, info@fastfundsolutions.com. This builds trust with banks and vendors. Step 5, start with Net30 vendor accounts like Uline, Quill, or Summa Office Supplies, then move into Navy.com and get their business boost plan so your profile starts reporting to the bureaus. Step 6, after 3 months of good payment history, you'll unlock fuel cards, business credit cards, and even installment loans, all tied to your business name. If you do it right, you'll have real funding power within 90 to 120 days. And the best part, this play doesn't just help you. You can resell it as a digital method. You can walk people through the setup or offer a done-for-you business starter kit like we do inside the mentorship. This is one of the key strategies we help you offer when you join. You'll get your own Discord. I'll build it for you. We'll give you this method plus more. And we'll even help you create content and post consistently for the first 90 days. After that, you'll know how to run the show yourself. All you have to do is take the system serious and follow the blueprint. The mentorship is $3,000 payment plan available $1,500, now $1,500 in 7 days. Or once your Discord is done, only 5 people are getting in, and this business credit play is just one of the dozens of things you'll be able to offer your clients. This was the network. I'll see you in the next one.